Hey everyone, Mr. Sujano here. In today's video, we're going to do an unboxing and first test of the Windy Gaming ATP-300 Supergun. Let's get started. If you're wondering what a Supergun is, it's essentially a little box that will allow me to play arcade games on my television without the need of a full arcade cabinet. Superguns can be very expensive. I purchased the one from Windy Gaming because it is a reasonable price. My needs are very simple, and I wanted something also that looked nice sitting on a shelf. Removing the air packaging out of the way, the first things that I see are the audio, video, and power cables. So this looks like it is the power cable for the ATP itself. Then here is a SCART cable. So if your television has SCART compatibility, this should plug right in. Lastly, these are the composite cables with S-Video, which will probably plug into most TVs. Next up is the ATP-300 itself, wrapped in a very healthy amount of bubble wrap. I'll remove the box out of the way and unwrap the ATP-300. Included in the bubble wrap was a Windy Gaming sticker, 2 Windy Gaming business cards with helpful contact information on the back, and lastly, a thank you card. So it says, "Thanks Alan, C," and I'm going to guess the C is for Chris at Windy Gaming. The JAMA and kick harness are already wired up and ready to go, and all the wires are tightly tied together with a whole bunch of zip ties. Inspecting the ATP-300 itself, there are 2 controller ports on the front. Those are Neo Geo DB15 ports, as well as buttons for coin 1 and coin 2. The case on this is plastic, and I really like the fit and finish. It looks very clean, which is one of the reasons why I purchased this Supergun. There is some venting on the top, both on the left and right sides, and on the bottom there are 2 screws in the middle on the far left and far right side which hold the case together. There's also additional venting on the bottom. The back of the ATP-300 is pretty simple. There's a power switch, power outlet, audio video out, a few setting switches, and a fan for the included power supply. Now to plug it in, turn it on, and test it out. This is plugged directly into an LCD TV. A CRT TV would be preferential. However, for the purposes of this video, it was just easier for me to hook up an LCD TV and go. For those of you with a keen eye, this is the Japanese arcade version of Super Street Fighter 2 Turbo. I've had to buy this game twice now, as the package containing my initial purchase of this game was stolen. Anyways, everything looks to be up and running great. In the next few weeks, I will be posting a full review of the ATP-300. That's all I've got for today. If you like my video, leave a like. If you didn't like my video, leave a like. Hit that subscribe button. Check out my other videos. Thank you everyone. Take care.